Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, and click on menu option. Then tap on settings. Then click on see more in account center. Scroll down, tap on personal details and click on this option. Tap on this option and click on Facebook profile. After that, tap on delete account, just click and continue to delete Facebook account permanently. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.